So in today's video, I just want to show you how to get your date picker in your spreadsheet. So I'm using Google Spreadsheet. So I'll just assume that the name of the column is date, right? And then this is the column. This is the column label. I will then highlight that column, and then I'll see a drop down arrow here. When you click on the drop down arrow, you click on data validation. So then you select hard rule. When you do that, it will automatically assume that your criteria or the validation you are trying to set is some drop down list, right? So I'll change that from drop down list to is valid date. Right. And then the moment I did that, you will notice that there's an error or a warning message here, which is saying that this is an invalid date value. Right. So that's because it's seeing the entire column as where each data entry, excuse me, will be. So what I will do is to exclude the label field, or just go ahead and start this from the particular cell where the data entry will start from, and that's cell A A3. So I'll do that and press enter, and that warning should be removed. So here you can either set to show a warning if the date is invalid, or to reject the input. So just I mean conclude based on what you're trying to achieve. If you will need the date for calculation later, you better select reject the value, right? So that way they don't have to, you have clean data that way. So I'll just keep this as it is and then click on done. So the moment I do that, I come to each of the cell, and then when I double click, I should be able to see my date picker showing. Yeah, so like this, and then I'll select a date, and that's it. If you have any other tutorial that